This is video for mixed fractions, page number 105. Now see here, one whole complete pizza is given and one half pizza is given. Now if we want to write both parts, this complete and this incomplete part, by using fraction, so we will get mixed fraction. So first of all, see what is the meaning. We get a mixed fraction when we add a whole number and fraction. Why it is said like that? See how to show this whole complete part by using 1. So here we are writing 1 plus. Now we have to add this part with that. So plus, and this is actually this is whole complete part, but here it is how much part is selected? Only half part is selected. So we show it like 1 by 2. Now we have to add them. So how to add? How to write it? See here. Now we are removing that plus sign. Just we are writing this 1 and then this half part. And how to read it? 1 and 1 by 2, or 1 and 1 upon 2, or one more way is there. Yes, how we read this 1 upon 2? Half. So you can directly say 1 and half. See here it is given 1 and a half. So we read this part as 1 and a half. So there are 1 and half pizzas. Now come to the next page, 106 page number. See now one example of, I think you can consider it as chocolate. So see here, total parts in this complete or this whole chocolate, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this complete whole chocolate is selected. Again, this is second chocolate. Yes. So again, what is written here? 1 whole. This is also 1 whole. We are adding the chocolates. And now if you see third number, see total parts are 4, but here only 3 parts are selected. So we know how to show it by using fraction 3 by 4. Yes, or you can read it like 3 quarters. Why quarters? When 4 is in denominator, we use quarter word. Otherwise, if you want, you can read it like 3 upon 4 or 3 by 4. Now we want to add. So how we will write? See, this is whole. So 1. This is again whole complete chocolate. So again 1 plus 1 plus. Here it is fraction form 3 by 4. So plus 3 by 4. Now we have to add them. So this 1 plus 1, it will become 2. So here 2 is written. And keep this fraction as it is, 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. And how to read it? 2 and 3 by 4. Or one more way is there, 2 and, for this 3 by 4, one more way is there, 3 quarters. So there are 2 and 3 by 4 bars of chocolates. Bars, or here parts of chocolates. Again, now here see, we know simplification of fractions, but here now simplification of mixed fractions is given. So see how to simplify them. Express 2 and 4 by 6 in its simplest form. So how to get simplest form? See, 2 and 4 by 6, can we show it like this? See, this is one whole part, this is second whole part. So 1 plus 1, this is 2. And 4 by 6, how to show it? For this complete, for this whole part, we will make 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many parts we are showing by color? 4. So here 4 parts are selected. So this part shows 4 by 6. Okay, now we want to simplify this. So see what we are going to do. We will keep this 2 as it is. See here simplification is available. Okay, we are going to keep this 2 as it is, this 2, and we will simplify this 4 by 6. So here it is given 6. See, 4 by 6. Now for this 4 and for this 6, 2 is common factor. So we can divide both numbers by using 2. 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 6 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2, we are getting 2. 6 divided by 2, we are getting 3. So this 4 by 6, simple form or simplest form of this 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. So we can write this see this 2 and 4 by 6 is equal to 2 and 2 by 3. So we are replacing this 4 by 6 by using 2 by 3 because it is a simplest form of that. So here it is written 2 and 2 by 3. 2 and 2 by 3 is the simplest form of 2 and 4 by 6. Now see this, do and learn from page number 106. See first question. Write the mixed fraction. Okay, by using these figures we are going to convert them into mixed fraction. So if you see, this is whole complete part, so I will write 1 and this is incomplete part, or we can show it by using fraction. So how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And selected parts 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 5. So how to read this? 1 and 4 by 5. Similar concept here. This and this complete whole parts are given. So 1 plus 1, 2. And here we will show it by using fraction. So see how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. But total parts are 4. So we show it 3 by 4. How to read?